Hi children, today we'll learn income and expenditure account. How to prepare income and expenditure account. See here, this is the question. The following of the balance sheet of the and the receipt and payment account of the Gurudeva Education Trust. So this is the balance sheet and this is the receipt and payment account. Children, if you want to prepare the income and expenditure account, so in question this is the receipt and payment is given, this is the adjustment, and they are asking to prepare you income and expenditure account for the year ended. To prepare income and expenditure account, you have to refer receipt and payment account. By referring this and adjustment, you have to prepare the income and expenditure account. Okay, so today please read the question first. Following of the balance sheet and receipt and payment of so and so. Balance sheet: cash in hand, furniture, building, sports material, library, outstanding expenses, bank loan, capital fund. Now come to the receipt and payment account. This is the question. Okay, so payment, office expenses 2015 to 16, 16 to 17. See, what is the date? It's 2016, the balance sheet of 2016 and the year ended. So please refer this office expenses. You have to take 17,000. This is the previous year. This is the previous year. So take the current year. Okay, and the by postage, painting, salary, purchase of subscription, bank carried down to balance brought down, subscription to entrance fee, donation, interest. This is the question. It is given. Now come to the adjustment. Please read carefully. There is a subscription outstanding 5,000. Okay, salary prepaid. So you have to minus this one, prepaid. Capitalize 50% of entrance fees. Come to the entrance fees. Only 50% you have to take. If it is 8,000, means you have to take only 4,000. You have to take only 4,000 because 50% of entrance fees. 100% of donations. Depreciation building by 10%. So what is the amount of building? It is 70,000. This amount you have to take 10% minus depreciation. We'll do the calculation one by one. We'll do the calculations. Okay. So prepare the income and expenditure account for the year ended, that is the 31st March 2017, and the balance sheet. So as I said you, if you want to prepare the income and expenditure account, please refer the receipt and payment account. This is the income, this is the expenditure. Income, expenditure. Okay, so today we'll do the Gurudeva of Education Trust income and expenditure account. This question is for 14 marks. This question is for 14 marks. Very important questions. So write down the name of the trust, that is the Gurudeva Education Trust income and expenditure account for the year ended, that is the 31st March 2017. 2017. So debit side and this is the credit side. Expenditure rupees, income rupees. Expenditure rupees, income rupees. So as I said you, please refer the receipt and payment account. Now you are doing income. We'll start from income column. If you want to start income column, please refer receipt column. You have to refer receipt column, children. So to subscription means take here by subscription. What is the amount? What is the amount of subscription? 45,000. So which year you have to take? 2017 and 18 is, and 2016 to 17. So 45,000 and 5,000 total at 50,000. Take in the same way. Subscription 45,000, add outstanding. Okay, outstanding, add same 50,000. Next is what? Finish this one. We have finished this one. Now next is entrance fees. What is entrance fee? 8,000. I said you already, there is a capitalize of 50% of entrance fees. If it is 8,000, please take 4,000. Entrance fee is 4,000. Okay. Now next, donation is 100%. Already he is telling, so don't take donation. Okay, children. Next, interest. How much is interest? 5,000. Take as it is. By interest 5,000. Is it okay? Okay. Now next you have to refer payment. If you want to prepare the expenditure, please refer the payment column. Okay, payment columns. Now expenditure account. What is the first heading? Office expenses. I said you please take the 2016 to 17. What is the amount of office expenses? 17,000. So 2 office expenses 17,000. Next, finish this one. Postage. What is the amount of postage? 100. So 2 postage 100. Next, painting. Painting is how much? 500. Take as it is to painting, printing and machinery, that is. Okay. So 500. Now next is salary. What is the amount of salary? 25,000. Here there is some adjustment. Salary is prepaid 2,500. So take this 25,000 inner column like this. Take this salary 25,000 inner column minus prepaid. When it is prepaid, please minus. If it is postpaid, please add. Is it okay? Salary. So total amount 25 minus prepaid as it is given in the adjustment. I said you salary prepaid 2,500. So minus that amount. 25,000 minus 2,500. See? $22,500. So take this amount in the outer column. Take this amount in the outer column. Okay? Finish salary? Finish? Next. So we have completed postage, printing, salary. So total this purchase of book, bank loan we have to take in the balance sheet. Okay? By subscription to the newspaper. How much? There is amount. Subscription to the newspaper is 600. This is amount 600. So take subscription on the newspaper. Subscription on the newspaper is 600. Now see the adjustment. So this one we did. This one also. This one also. There is a depreciation in building by 10%. I said you depreciation. When there is a depreciation, please minus. If it is appreciation, you have to add. How to do this calculation? What is the amount of depreciation, children? Depreciation on building. No, what is the amount of building? It is 70,000. So 70,000 into 10% depreciation. 7,000. How much? 7,000. Take this 7,000 here. That is depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. Okay. Now you have to add this both the sides. If you add both the sides, see here. 50,000, 4,000, 5,000. How much you got? 59,000. Write both the side. 59,000 both the side you have to write. Now take this amount. $17,100, 500. Next 22,500 plus 600 plus 7,000. So how much you got? You got 4700. Just minus this amount to this total. What is the amount? This is 11,300. So this is the surplus because there is a excess of income.